everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mayuri and I'm back again with a new video. As you guys have already read from the title of the video, we are going to be doing the who's most likely to challenge, and basically in that particular challenge we have a bunch of questions right here, and whoever you think is the answer to that question, you just have to point out at that particular person. So there's no competition as such, but it's just a fun game. So without any further ado, let's
begin.
So the first question is, who's most likely to snoop through somebody else's phone? पॉइंट तो नहीं किसी पे.
I don't know. तुम
खुद पे
पॉइंट
करो.
कर रहे हो, मैं किस पे करूँ?
Second question, who is most likely to make a prank call? I'm just like that. Who is more likely to pull a push door? मैंने विंडो बोला.
नहीं क्योंकि किया है बहुत बार.
Who is most likely to pretend to be sick to avoid going to school or work? Maya.
मैं घर भी चुका हूँ.
Caught.
Who is most likely to give the best advice?
मेरा खुद पे.
Yeah, she does at times. Aww.
I'm tired.
Who is most likely to give terrible advice?
कुछ भी. कुछ भी.
क्योंकि मैं advice
365
देती
days.
There was this one day where we were wondering which movie we should watch, and he said that my friends have recommended to watch 365 Days. If you don't know what that movie is, just go and check out its IMDb rating. It's pathetic. He literally watched that movie and came to a conclusion that we will never take his advice to watch any movie now. Next question. Who is more likely to light up any room they walk into? ये कौन से सेंस में है?
वही
मतलब
funny
light
से
up as in cheerful or like put on the lights? No,
Put on the lights.
definitely the
Because
cheerful. I like dim lights.
Uniform.
I like darkness, so I won't put on any lights. So cheerful, right? Okay. Yes. So 3, 2, 1, go. Who is most likely to get a speeding ticket?
तनीषा.
She at times drives really fast. Who is most likely to have a secret lover?
Mine.
नहीं हाँ, मैं
कुछ भी. मैं हीरो बोलूँगा.
नहीं फिर मेरे को याद है कुछ भी.
दोनों
वो
भी.
याद आया ना वो.
Both.
कौन आ? वो.
वो वाला याद है
हाँ,
ना
वो
हीरो
वाला,
आपका
याद
वो
है।
वाला.
अरे वो.
अरे
वो
वो.
वाला.
कुछ भी बोलो मत तुम.
नहीं, अरे
कुछ भी बोल
मैं
रहे
ने
हो.
बताया था आपको.
Our parents are also going to watch the video, so we're just fooling around.
नहीं मम्मी मैं नहीं हूँ, लोग प्लान करके रखा था.
आंटी का
नहीं
हो
यार
सकता है,
इतना
क्या
भी
पता.
कुछ नहीं है, बस वो वाला प्लानिंग था. बाकी
वो वाला.
everything else is true. Next question. Who is most likely to have a stage fright? I know for a fact that she does. I don't know about her.
I am very bad with stages.
I think I'm the only one who does not think that I have
Straight fear.
stage fright, but yeah, that's how I am.
मैं कर चुका हूँ डांस पर तो भी मेरे को डर लगता
Same,
है.
same.
Nowhere near dance.
हाथ पे ठंडे हो जाते हैं मेरे.
Who is most likely to re-gift something that was gifted to them? नहीं, I won't re-gift.
You can, I don't know. I can't भाई. नहीं मैं वो मिंटू पे कर रही है.
तनीषा.
नहीं मैं नहीं करती
But
भाई.
मयूरी
क्योंकि तनीषा बहुत लेजी है गिफ्ट खरीदने के लिए, उसको बहुत.
ये मैं re-gift नहीं करती हाँ. Even if I don't like the gift, I keep it. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
गिफ्ट करता हूँ पर किसी और को. सेम बंदे का नहीं.
हाँ तो
Confession.
ऐसा करना
हो गया,
चाहिए.
confession हो गई.
बोल रहा हूँ, ऐसा करना चाहिए.
he just made a confession out of
No,
the
I did
question.
not.
Who is most likely to fart in public?
No, I've never done it.
Oh my god!
I've never done
Oh, really?
कब किया? किया
I've
कुछ
not
भी
told it the
मतलब
date and everything, but better be you than us. Okay. Who is most likely to be hungry 24/7?
दोनों
Mintu.
She's hungry all the time.
दोनों
सेम दोनों
दोनों
Who is most likely to date a celebrity? I think I can. Who is most likely to rage in a game? I rage a lot. I get very competitive. No, I and Mayank rage a lot. Mintu नहीं rage करता है.
अरे मिंटू करता आप देखते नहीं हो ये ओपन लैग हो रहा है अरे ओपन लैग हो रहा है
पर
मैं भी
इतना
करता हूँ
नहीं।
पर ये तो
I and Mayank, we both real brother and sisters. We rage a lot in the games. Whichever game we play. अगर mobile game हो उसमें भी and normal game, card game भी हो ना उसमें भी we rage a lot. So
Yeah.
us. Who is most likely to get arrested?
तनीषा
मिंटू
हीरल पे तो जा ही नहीं रहा है.
वही तो क्या
I-
क्वेश्चन
I-
है?
Coming back to this question, Tanu can get arrested for maybe driving or
Maybe नहीं
having road rage or something. Maybe, just a possibility. Who is most likely to ditch a girl?
अरे कहाँ है मैं कहाँ
ये मिंटू बोलना है कि हर्षल बोलना है?
कुछ भी
अरे
बोल.
बोल दिया अभी क्या सबको पता है मिंटू ये हर्षल ने बुलाता हूँ
मिंटू।
Most likely to study for 12 hours straight.
मेरे लिए
course.
नहीं मयंक
कुछ
Finally, I'm pointing at
दो घंटा
Hiral
नहीं
for
पढ़ता अच्छे से
12. Who's most likely to make people wait?
I think तनीषा
अबे
लग
हट
रही है।
ये
मयंक
मुझे
बहुत
वेट करवाती
late
है
आता
हमेशा
नहीं मयंक बहुत लेट.
मैं वेट कर रही हूँ.
I don't accept this answer. Who is most likely to sleep for 12 hours straight?
more than
नहीं।
12 hours
More than 12 hours.
She can sleep for
Like
like
24
24
day,
hours.
whole
ठीक है
day.
तनीषा.
20 hours.
तनीषा.
literally
Who is most likely to cry in a public place?
Both.
And me. We both
Yeah,
can
both,
cry
both.
at any place, anytime. Who is most likely to spend all the money on clothes?
Mayuri.
No, I don't just. She can spend all the money on just clothes.
कुछ भी
मतलब कुछ नहीं मिल रहा तो मेरे पे डाल रही है। हाँ तो मैं बाकी चीजें खरीद नहीं बट आई डोंट बाय मेरे को शॉपिंग का शौक ही नहीं है कुछ भी बोल रही है ठीक है क्योंकि मैं क्लोथ्स पे उतना ये नहीं करती
Who is most likely to get killed in a shooting game?
तनीषा and Hiral
Both.
Because she never plays shooting games
Yeah.
with us. She never plays PUBG or Call of Duty.
जब हम फोन पे खेल रहे थे तब ये पढ़ाई कर रही होती है इसलिए
नहीं नहीं
कुछ भी
कुछ भी बोला मत कर.
कुछ भी हाँ पढ़ते रहते हो आप
मार खाएगा.
Who is most likely to win a game in FIFA?
Mayank.
इसी को आता है सबसे
हाँ,
ज्यादा शायद इसके लिए.
पर इन दोनों का मैच बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग रहता है क्योंकि दोनों भी
Outside.
मतलब बिल्कुल अच्छे से नहीं खेलते तो बहुत फनी हो जाता है
Whenever I and Hiral play, we play the game of outside, like who
Yeah.
puts the most outside.
They
And
press on the O button which is shooting button.
we just press the O button and we shoot the ball far away so that the other person does not get the ball. That's the basic technique that we use while playing FIFA. Who is most likely to go a week without shower?
मी मैंने किया भी है आई थिंक
अरे
हाँ. Who is most likely to choose sleep over an outing?
हीरल बोलती है मैं देख रही हूँ मूवी और
हाँ.
मैं देखती हूँ. मैं देखती हूँ.
हाँ मैं देख रही.
हाँ मैं देख रही हूँ
रात को मलेरिया मैंने कॉट किया था जोर का हंसना चालू हो गई ये भी हंस रही थी
कुछ भी बोलते
हाँ
हैं.
तो
Who is most likely to eat spicy food more?
Mintu.
Mintu and Hira, they both have the capacity. He has nothing, and she has lesser tolerance than him as well. And I can tolerate somewhat average spicy food, so yeah.
I think me and Maya same.
हाँ नहीं, but तेरा तो थोड़ा भी, he can at least eat it. You don't even start
Try.
eating spicy food. Who's most likely to fail a driving test?
तो माइंड
मैंने चलाया नहीं है
हाँ
पर
वही
मैं
मैं
Okay. Who's most likely to get an award for modeling?
हैं ये कोई क्वेश्चन
no
है
doubts.
सब
Although I cannot pursue modeling at any point in my life, but ठीक है, temporary खुशी. Most likely to struggle with math.
मी एंड मयूरी
मैं भी struggle करती हूँ.
नहीं यार तू इंजीनियर है यार.
कुछ
बस हो गया, बस हो गया. अच्छा. If you've watched the noodle challenge video, then you must know that मेरा maths इतना weak है that I just had to quit in between because I knew that if I continue doing that challenge, then I would have been the person who had to finish the entire plate basically. So that's why I quit the game midway. And also, if you haven't checked out that video, the link will be in description. Please don't forget to check it out. Who is more likely to cry in a sad movie? I and Hira.
Mayuri
We
only.
both are very emotional. Who is more likely to drop their phone very often?
I don't know. I think my
Like, it has to be a person
सब लोग
that's
कर रहे हैं तो
very
मैं भी
clumsy.
करूँगी.
I have seen many times.
Who is most likely to finish a series at one go? I can do that.
तनिषा तो देखती भी नहीं है.
मैं
सो
घर पे
जाएगी वो
देख
एक
लेती हूँ.
एपिसोड देख के वो सो जाती है.
अरे मेरे घर पे होगी तो देखूंगी. तुम्हारे
I
घर पे
can
मुझे
watch
आना
a
जाना
series
करना
for
पड़ता है.
hours. I can watch it for hours. Who is most likely to be a good cook?
Cook.
Me.
He's the best of us.
हाँ.
So we're just pointing at him. From among us, who is most likely to have kids first?
क्या नहीं.
Mayu
नहीं.
और हिरल.
हाँ,
Mintu.
मयूरी.
I know for a fact that
मयूरी.
I'm not going to.
हाँ,
Mintu.
मैं भी
That's why I'm
नहीं.
pointing
No.
out.
मिंटू.
I'm not pointing at you.
Oh.
मिंटू.
He's the smallest, but we
They are
think that he's going
targeting
to
both of
marry
us.
really quickly. So,
हाँ,
last and final question. Who is most likely to be a couch potato?
मतलब क्या होता है उसका?
Very lazy. मतलब पूरा दिन सोफे पे पड़े रहो. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, then please don't forget to give it a like. Comment down below if you have any further suggestions. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because you know it means a lot to me. And hit that bell icon so that you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. With that being said, see you soon. Bye.
Shooting.
Stop it. Stop.